We've got two companies making their Wall Street debut today, and they're moving in opposite directions. Kate Rogers has a look at Toast's IPO, and Courtney Reagan is following A.K.A. brands. But Kate, let's start with you.
Hey, well, full Toast shares surging today after pricing at $40 a share, raising $870 million in the IPO. The stock gaining more than 60% today, looking to close higher today by more than 50%. The restaurant technology company sells both hardware and software and is used in 48,000 locations around the country after adding 20,000 new locations in the past 2 years and seeing its valuation more than double in the past few months. CEO Chris Comparato told me today that the company and the industry have learned from the pandemic. Take a listen.
We look at the Delta variant and COVID in general. We feel like the industry has been battle tested with the COVID pandemic, and the industry and Toast are amazingly resilient. So we feel like while Delta maybe dampened things, listen, this industry is in recovery, and we couldn't be more excited to lead the charge ahead as the industry recovers and restaurants start to thrive again.
Now, it's the second restaurant tech company to go public this year after Olo. Sarah, back over to you.
Kate Rogers. Kate, thank you. We'll send it now over to Courtney Reagan for a look at how A.K.A. Brands is faring in its first day of trade. Courtney?
Yeah, unlike Toast, it's not a great start for A.K.A. Brands in its first day as a public company. Shares priced at $11. That was the low end of the $11 to $13 per share range. They opened at $9.50, trading slightly above that now, but still down about 10% into the close. A.K.A. Brands is both an owner of digitally native fashion brands, including Princess Polly and Culture Kings, and a network that those brands can tap into for expertise as they grow. Now, each brand is meant to operate independently so that innovation continues along with growth, and that a clean exit is then easier and possible when the time is right. CEO Jill Ramsey joined from Macy's, where she was the chief product and digital officer, with previous experience at Walmart and eBay as well. Other executives with more traditional retail experience also joined Ramsey to help guide these brands on their growth trajectories in this portfolio. But leadership has to walk kind of a fine line. They need to share best practices and wisdom, but without impeding on the brand DNA and the nimbleness that makes these brands what they are. Well.